This is June with New Orleans Potions Cosmetics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very easy liquid eyeliner using TKB's Mousse Medium. So the first thing you want to do is when you get the package and right before you use it, you just want to squish it around a little bit and stir it. So for this recipe I'm going to put 1 1/4 teaspoon. And you'll find I'll do a lot of these, and I'll do 1 1/4 teaspoon, and that's enough to fill a 5 ml lip gloss tube. Oop, almost missed it. That's 1. And that's 2. Okay. Put that aside. And I'm going to scoop this out and take this measurement spoons out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out the color, which is going to be with black mica and black pigment. So because I'm using a pigment, I want to put a little bit in this, put 1 tad of black oxide. And this is, I'm going to use a little bit of 91% alcohol just to wet it. You don't want to do too much, just enough to wet it. I'm going to stir that around a little bit, make sure that's all wet. Just makes like a little bit of mud. Okay. And then I'm going to put 3 pinch of, where's my pinch spoon? 3 pinch of black mica. You'll find that most all of this stuff, when I do these recipes, the bases and things come from TKB, and so do all my color. And since this is mica powder, I don't have to wet it with the alcohol. So we're going to do 3 pinch. Okay, and if I were to remember to put the black first, I wouldn't have to transfer from this cup to this cup, but it's fine. So we're going to put this in here with it. I use a lot of these snack cups. They're great for storage and making your products in, and then when you finish, just throw them away. Okay, so all we have to do now is just mix. And if you're doing this and you ever find like it's not wet enough, you can always add just a little more of the gloss base to make sure you get the right consistency that you want. But this is pretty consistent. And I'm just going to smash it around because it has the pigment in there. Mica powder dissolves very quickly into the base. Pigment always takes a little bit more, but it's going to give it that black rich color. Okay, and that's it, and that's how easy it was. I'll show you what a little bit of line looks like on my arm, and then I'll show you the container that I put it in. And this dries very nicely on your eye. Okay, so that's a nice rich black. And then what I do is I will transfer it into this Jello shot syringe, and I use an eyedropper, and I cut this piece off and I attach it to the bottom of this, and that way it fits down in, this is my lip gloss, but it'll fit down in the bottom of my lip gloss tube, and this is the eyeliner tube that I use. So this will fit down in here, and you'll be able to fill the bottle and go to right there. So if you go any further, you can't put the little brush back in. But there's all different kinds of eyeliner containers. That's just the one I like to use. Okay, that was real simple. And you have black liquid eyeliner made with TKB's Mousse Medium.